What is a subject? What is a verb?
Action.
Very good. Doer of an action in a sentence is known as subject. Then what is verb?
Action word.
The action words are known as
Ma'am,
verb.
sir also completed that, ma'am.
Subject verb agreement also completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, sir completed before the exam, ma'am, before the periodic test.
And before the exam, last period before the exam.
Then that is not needed, isn't it? 1,
But
2,
we didn't
3,
class.
4, 5. Sir will give the class, so you don't worry.
Reported speech also want to write class of ma'am.
Sir, that no sir will give. Now we can. Shall I move with the active and passive voice?
Sir completed, ma'am.
That also completed active and passive voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That means all the grammar part completed. Is it so? Okay. Then I will go with the writing section. Letter writing 2 we have completed. Letter to editor. Then
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and complaint letter. Ma'am.
complaint letter. Okay. How many types of formal letters are there?
Ma'am, shall
Ma'am,
I
4
say,
types.
ma'am? Ma'am, 4 types, ma'am.
4
Complaint
types.
letter, inquiry letter,
Ma'am,
raising
4
order,
types
letter
of
to
form
the editor,
for
ma'am.
there, ma'am.
Complaint letter of complaint, letter to editor, letter of placing order, and letter of enquiry. In that 4 we have completed. Next we are going with the letter of enquiry. What do you mean by enquiry letters?
To enquire some.
Ma'am, investigating.
To investigating, to enquire something. Usually what we are going to enquire? What we are going to enquire? Crime thriller.
Get more depth information about that product or service, ma'am.
Very good. We are going to enquire a deep information, or we want to get a deep information about a product or service. For that, what we will send? We will send an inquiry letter. Such kind of letters are known as inquiry letters. See, usually while we are sending inquiry letters, there are one important thing is there. What is that one important thing? Suppose if you are inquiring about admissions of 11th standard in SKV or any standard in SKV, what you will say, how you will ask, what we needed there. What we needed? We need one reference source. Isn't so, children? Yes or no? Nobody is there, huh? Children?
Ma'am, can you repeat it, ma'am? Yes.
While we are writing an inquiry letter, we need a reference. Is it so? Suppose
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you can say that I heard about your product from this media, or I heard about your service from this platform. So I would like to know more about this one. Likewise, only we will start the letter. So inquiry
Yes,
letter. For inquiry letter, one reference is very, very important. So other things are same as in complaint letter and letter to editor. You write the heading letters of enquiry. Letters of enquiry.
Ma'am, in classes part, then letter part.
Letter part, letter part. So letters of inquiry. For letters of inquiry, there is an important thing is that it is a reference. Okay, I will post one question paper, one question in your WhatsApp group. You write that question fastly. Okay. Okay. So remaining all these things are very important. What are all the things of other letters? Other letters, what are the important parts of a formal letter? There are 8 components for the formal letters. Sender's address without name, date, receiver's address with a designation, salutation, subject, salutation, body of letter, complimentary clause, and name or signature. All these are same for this enquiry letter also. Got it, children? Who can say all the 8 components once again?
Ma'am, shall I say, ma'am? Switzerland?
Harish came.
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you can say.
Ma'am,
Send us
send us,
address,
ma'am,
date,
date,
receiver's address,
receiver's
destination,
address,
subject,
destination,
citation, body of the letter,
subject,
complaint, complimentary
ma'am.
clause, name.
Like that
Ah,
was,
very
ma'am,
good, very good,
ma'am.
very good.
Introduction,
Ma'am, shall I say
content, and
that,
conclusion. The
Okay,
complimentary
say,
clause, ma'am.
Ma'am, sender's address without name, date, receiver address with designation, subject, salutation, body of the letter, complimentary clause, and name, ma'am.
Very good. How to write the date?
Ma'am, like 26 June 2000XX.
14th July
Ah,
20.
okay, okay.
Or 14th July 20XX.
Very good, very good. So everything should be in which side we have to write? Or what is
Ma'am,
alignment?
left side.
Left, ma'am.
Left alignment.
Left, ma'am.
Very clearly, I told you that while you are writing leave letters also, you should follow the same pattern. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
But I didn't
Ma'am.
see the same pattern in your leave letters. I saw so many leave letters, but I didn't see in the same pattern. You are writing according to your wish. Hmm? Is it so, children? You should not be like that. Okay, even you are writing a letter to the class teacher, you should follow the pattern what I taught you. Got it? And there you can write sender's address there. Little bit change is there. You can mention your name. Okay. See, one question I posted in the WhatsApp group. Write fast.
Ma'am, advertisement also we should write, ma'am.
Ah, yes, that you're right. For that, what I say, this is first question, no? So you don't need to leave anything. Advertisement, you put it in a column. Sorry, put it in a box. Remaining thing, you copy.
Ma'am, the question didn't came at, ma'am.
Question is down. You are Ramesh Kumar or Radhika Kumari, 12A Friend Road, Agra. You read the above advertisement in local daily. You want to purchase a course in housekeeping. Write a letter to the director of the institution inquiring about the duration of the course, fees, and other details.
Yes, ma'am, I got now only, ma'am.
Ah, okay, then write.
Ma'am, you should write that advertisement also, ma'am.
Yes, pa. Completed, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.